Hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set the best video display settings on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So head over to settings. You want to go to quick settings and then all settings. From there, click on display and sound, and right here you find HDMI CC. So enable this if it's turned off. You want to enable this so that you can control and automatically turn on and off other HDMI CCs. Enable devices with one single remote control like the one you're currently using. So enable this and then come out. Adjust the stick scaling to your preference. By default, it scales to 100%. You can see an example on the right part of the screen. That's how it look like. Alternatively, you could turn it to small and look like that, or just maintain it on the default. So if you have seeing issues, this is your opportunity to turn it on to the largest for very visible text. The large is also good and it reduces the strain on the eye. So I'm going to reset mine to default and I'm going to move out and head over to dynamic range. So the color format by default is set to YCBCR2408 bit. Keep that there, and then the display setting is set. If you have any issues with your display or you have some settings which you have turned on and they are disturbing the image quality or the HDR, just reset the display right here. So all the settings will reset if you click on that button. So now that you've seen that, you want to match content dynamic range. Content now is being produced with a lot of dynamic range, very high quality images. Not having those in your video playback is going to be a massive loss. So click on match content dynamic range, but be mindful that this will turn the screen black whenever I'm switching, as you just saw. So if you do not want that, you could just turn it off and match content frame rate. On a match content frame rate, you want to put this to seamless. So you do not want to see frames dropping and having to deal with the flickering on the screen. So just use seamless only. But if you want the best of frame rate on each content, just click on always. The resolution is click set on automatic. I'll recommend you leave it here so that whatever resolution the image is playing on or the video is playing on, you could access it automatically. The Google TV will just switch the resolution without any hassle. So advanced display settings will show you the preferred dynamic range options. So you could choose system preferred conversion. This, in my opinion, is what you should be on. But as well, you can use the match content dynamic range or force conversion. The issue is you have to see the changes happen more real time, and you could darken the screen momentarily as it switches. So go with what works best for you. I would recommend you use system preferred conversion. And also, if you game, allowing game mode would be a wise option. And the format selection is the last, where you could choose to click automatic, where you use device reported formats instead of manual. You have to actually choose the formats manually from available formats. And if you want, you can see the formats right there: Dolby Vision, HDR10, HDR10 Plus, HDG. So HLG. You are not going to be bothering yourself finding what particular dynamic range you want to select, so automatic is the best way to go. So that's basically for the display options. Setting them as we have walked through is going to ensure you have the very best of the display on Google TV. Now if that was insightful, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.